Hi, welcome to the Graphic Memoir Intensive Working Group. I'm Tom Hart. This is my book, The Art of the Graphic Memoir. And in this group, we're going to be working on your graphic memoir, on your story, on your ideas, the things that are motivating you. In this course, we have an archive, a massive archive of PDFs and assignments and inspirations and information, videos, all sorts of things to inform your work, inform your practice, and keep you inspired. My book, The Art of the Graphic Memoir, was written after my own memoir, and it was an effort to decode what a graphic memoir means, what it means to make one, what kinds of processes and ideas you have to work with to make one. And I'll share much of this book with you in an earlier draft. I also bring in lots more exercises and other inspirations, and each week we have a conversation about what we're looking at or an exercise, and each week people are presenting new sequences that they're working on, new stories, new parts of their longer story. And in this very supportive community, we have a chance to comment, support, and just basically cheer each other on, also offer suggestions, tool tips, and a lot of things like that. This is one of my favorite courses. It's one of my favorite places to be. Come on in, introduce yourself, and we'll get working on telling your story.